there! In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your AirPods 4. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to place both of the earbuds inside the case, and then we would need to find the invisible button, which is located at the front of the case in this center. So our next movements will be we will need to open the case and then immediately start tapping 3 times by 2. Let me show you. So it will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if you see the red indicator, that means that the factory reset was successful. So let's try it. So I'm opening the case and start tapping 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And yes, we can see the red indicator, which means that we have successfully resetted them. And now when the indicator is white again, it means that they are ready to be paired again. So now let's try them to pair with my phone. And yes, here they are. We click connect. And this is it. They have successfully connected to my phone as a new pair of AirPods. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.